Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your LinkedIn profile if it's not showing in search. Step by step, updated for 2026. If recruiters or connections can't find you, it's usually due to profile visibility, keyword optimization, or settings issues. Let's start. First, check your profile visibility. Go to Settings Arrow Visibility Arrow Profile. Viewing options. Make sure your profile is set to your name and headline so others can see you in searches. Next, ensure your profile is complete. Add a professional photo, headline, about section, experience, skills, and recommendations. LinkedIn favors complete profiles in search results. Optimize your headline and about section with relevant keywords. Include your role, industry, and key skills. For example, digital marketing specialist, SEO, content strategy, growth marketing. Recruiters search using these terms. Update your experience and skills, use clear job titles, and include industry-specific keywords. Add 15 to 20 skills and get endorsements from colleagues to improve profile ranking. Check your public profile settings. Go to Settings Arrow Visibility Arrow. Edit your public profile. Ensure your profile is visible to everyone, not just connections. Engage on LinkedIn, post updates, share industry insights, comment on posts, and join relevant groups. Active profiles are more likely to appear in recruiter searches. Finally, get recommendations. Ask colleagues or managers to write authentic recommendations highlighting your achievements and skills. And that's it. By checking visibility settings, completing your profile, optimizing keywords, updating experience and skills, making your public profile visible, staying active, and getting recommendations, you can fix LinkedIn search issues and appear prominently in searches. Hey everyone!